So here are the two platforms to get your US LLC and UK LTD at cheaper price. So number one site is dula.com. So you can get your LLC formed for $297 for the starter package, and then they have tax and compliance package $1,999, and then here is $2,999. But I recommend starting to go for this starter package, which is $297. So here what you will get: LLC information, EIN number, operating agreement. So their package starts from $297, and then state fees is not included. It will be $297 plus the state fees. Let's say now the state fee is $100, so that means you are going to pay $397. If the state fee is $50, that means you are going to pay more than this $297. And then the state fee can range from $45 to up to $250. So, and then here's another one, which is privately. So this privately is the one I recommend for you to register your LLC. So they have more cheaper price. So here is their basic package, which is $229, and then you can see Dula, this one is $297. So yes, $297, and then privately this one is $299. So I recommend this platform for you, which is the privately, to start your US LLC. So here's what you will get: US company information, you are going to get US virtual address, registered agent services, US business Stripe account. So they are going to give you US Stripe account, EIN letter, incorporation documents, introduction to professional accountants, and then they provide email support. So now, after this $229 for their basic package, in the following year you are going to pay just $99 per year, and then if you are just starting out, you are going to pay $299. So let's say now the state fee is $100, and then you can buy their package for just $229. That means you are going to pay $329 instead of paying $397 a year. So you are going to pay $329. And then if the state filing fee is $50, that means you are going to pay $279, which is more cheaper than this one, which is the $297. So if you are a big company, so you can go for their premium package, which is $397. So I recommend this privately for you to start your, so you can register your business in Hong Kong, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and then you can buy other packages from them. See now, you can register your US LLC and then your UK LTD as well. So here's the UK price, and then yes for the US. So you can still buy other packages from them. So we are staying privately, so you can go to the marketplace here. So now you can register your ITIN. So if you are international funder that don't have US SSN, so you can get this ITIN from them as well, which costs $297. And then you can contact them for logo design service as well, which costs $30. So for the EIN, so you don't need to pay for this EIN, they are going to give you for free once you purchase this their $229 package. So I recommend this privately for you. And then if you need UK virtual address, they are going to give you $129 per year, and then US LLC tax filing. So if you are a business owner that is confused about how to register their business in the United States, so you can contact me so that I can help you. So I can help you to form your LLC and then UK LTD in the United States and the United Kingdom. So you can visit our website here, which is bizlaunchtech.thevendoza.shop. So you can visit our website. We are going to help you to register your US LLC and UK LTD. If you need a website, so we are going to build a professional website for you with WordPress, and then we will help you to set up a payment gateway Even if your business is high risk business, we are going to set up a payment gateway that will approve your business. And then if you need a business bank account. So yes, our services: WordPress website development, business formation, payment infrastructure setup. So you can view our packages here. So here's our service and pricing. So here's our own service package here. So you can see our basic package is $59. So for this $59, we are going to set up a payment gateway for you, verified one. So we are going to provide you unlimited support. So payment gateway recommendation, setup guidance, business bank accounts, compliance guidance. And then for our standard package, we are going to register your LLC. So this basic package is included here. And then we are going to register your US LLC and UK LTD. So EIN number, LLC, compliance. And then our premium package cover website development, e-commerce website setup, compliance guidance, payment gateway integration, and premium brand structure. So if you are confused about starting your US LLC or UK LTD, you can simply contact us and then we help you to set up everything correctly. So you can contact us through Telegram or WhatsApp, where we provide fast response there. So you can contact us here. So just click here to contact us through Telegram or WhatsApp. So you can click here to book a free consultation call with us. So we advise you to contact us if you need a US LLC or UK LTD, so that we can guide you through the process. So thank you.